So, in case you weren't able to come to the Kim 2 meeting today, let me tell you about your last few days. Senior year, Kim 2. Basically, we're going to have a project that you're going to work on. And then next Tuesday, you're going to have an ed puzzle over an intro to organic chem. And then by next Thursday, you need to be wrapping up your little project. So let's talk about the project, okay? I'm going to share my screen so I can show you what I did with my time last night. Okay, so we made, at our house last night, we made an acid-base indicator, okay? And with this acid-base indicator, if I can find my pictures here, okay. So I used cabbage, okay? You can make an indicator. You know, we had used phenolphthalein earlier this year. Cabbage also is a really good indicator because it will indicate the acidity and the basicity of substances, okay? So I took the cabbage, I chopped it up. I boiled some real hot water, and then I took my cabbage and I put it in a blender and poured that boiling hot water on top of it. And then I put lots of towels on the top so as not to splash myself in the face with boiling hot cabbage juice. Okay, and then like I blended all that really well together, and then I let it set for like 10 minutes. Okay, after that, I filtered it out. I used coffee filter paper and just got all the juice off of it. And then I took a note card and made a secret message, okay, using a mystery substance, all right? So then I took that indicator, which I'm gonna show you this now. This was the indicator that I made. That's what I filtered off like after I put it through the coffee filter. So that's my cabbage indicator right there, okay? And I took my mystery substance, and Ella and I wrote mystery messages to each other, okay, on note cards. Okay, and then we took some of that indicator and we squirted it. I put it in like an old spray bottle, and I squirted indicator all over the note cards, and this was the result. Mine, I kind of left too much indicator on mine, but let me show you this if you can see it. Here was my secret message. There was too much over on this side, but you can see that like the message really does show up for the most part, other than this little mishap. And then this was Ella's, which you can't see as well, but you'll notice hers, this one kind of turned like a bluey purpley kind of color, a blue green. And then this one is kind of a pink, like if you could see it here at my house, it's a kind of a pink color where she drew like a triangle happy face. You can see it better here. But that's what we did. All right, so your objective then next week is I'm going to be giving you guys, I'll be giving you guys a vial of cabbage indicator, and I'll give you a vial of mystery substance, okay? So the mystery substance and the cabbage juice, you're going to create a mystery message, and you're going to have to use the indicator and show me how all that stuff works together. You'll have more instructions and more details that I'm going to post later today probably as to what all needs to go with that. These little vials will be available for you to pick up from the high school starting tomorrow morning, Friday morning. Okay, and you can get these from Denise, or she may just put them out there on the table where like the kids who have been coming to pick up their packets, if you want to do that, that'll be ready for you starting tomorrow morning. And I'll have them out there. Like you just need to call the office before you go up there, because sometimes I know that they've been leaving a little bit early on Friday. So just make sure somebody's up there. But I'll have those ready for you tomorrow morning. I'll try to get up there before 9 and get them. So, but that's going to be your last big project, okay? And there will be more instructions to follow today, okay? That's what you're going to do. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Also, just to recap what we talked about in the Zoom meeting a while ago, you can redo homework if you want to resubmit homework. The test, I really don't want to do test corrections or anything like that, or retest, because it was all just old homework questions. So if you just want to resubmit homework, you can, or if you have problems that you didn't get done because you didn't know how, you can either text me and we can do a Zoom meeting, or email me. Or if you just want to text me the problems that you had trouble with, I'll try to make a recording and put those up. Okay, just whatever's convenient for you guys. All right, but that's it. Let me know if you have questions. All right, bye.